Morning students, welcome back to the Watch Your class. In today's class we are taking up with the concept ogive curve. Okay, so look at the question. Draw the two ogives from the following data and locate the median. So we have to draw the two ogive curves, that is two ogive in the sense we have to prepare both more than as well as less than ogive curves, and we have to locate the median from the diagram. Okay, so look at the question. The class intervals we have 100 to 200, 200 to 300, up to 600 to 700. Frequencies 12, 18, 30, 42, 60 and 78. So to draw these ogives we have to prepare less than class intervals as well as more than class intervals. So this is less than class intervals I am taking. Okay, so for less than class intervals, so whatever the class intervals they have given, so we are eliminating the first one. That means we are not considering the first number in the given class intervals. Instead of that we will write it as less than 100. Okay, then in the next same way, less than 200, less than 300, less than 400, less than 500, less than 600, less than 700. Okay, this is how we have to write it. Okay, so when it is less than, we are considering the 100, 200. Okay, that is the upper lower limit of the class intervals has to be taken into consideration, and we are not taking the frequency as it is. Instead we are taking the cumulative frequency. See, this is a 12 is the frequency for the intervals between 100 to 200, but in the class intervals we have less than 100. Okay, that is, it is in between 100 to 200, so it is not including the class interval which is less than 100. So that's why the frequency will be 0 for the first one. Okay, for the next one you can write it as 12. Then as it is a cumulative, you should add the frequencies. Okay, then we have 18. 18 has to be added to 12, you will get 30. So how you will get 30 is 12 plus 18. Then we have 30, you have to add it to 30, you will get 60. Then it is 102, 162, 240. So this is how you have to prepare the less than class intervals. Then same way you have to prepare more than class intervals. Okay, more than class interval is just opposite of the less than class intervals. Okay, so here the class interval we are using the word more than instead of less than. So more than 100 we are taking. Okay, so more than 200, more than 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. So cumulative frequency for the more than class intervals will start from the last. So it is more than 700. We have up to 700 here. So what we have to take is we have to start from 0. Okay, so 0, then we have 78. So for 78 you should add 60, you will get 138, and for 138 you should add 42, so it will be 180, and for 180 you should add 30, you will get 210. For 210 you should add 18, you will get 228, and this is 240. Okay, you can see here from the we have least to the highest, and here from highest to the least. So this is in ascending order and this is in descending order. So this is, you have to keep in mind while preparing less than as well as more than class intervals. So based on this we are preparing the ogive curve. Okay, so for ogive curve preparation will be done based on the graphical method. So we have x and y axis. So this y-axis is representing the class intervals and the y-axis is representing the frequency. Okay, so class intervals we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, up to 700 we have. So till 700 you have to write. When it comes to frequency, look at this. Say from 0 till 240 we have to cover. Okay, so what we 0 we are already writing here. Okay, after that we should take the class frequencies in such a way it has to cover the terms which are in the cumulative frequency. So what I'll do is I'll start from 20, so with a difference of 20 each. Okay, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220 and 240. Okay, so for less than frequency distribution, for less than, what you have to do is you have to start from 0. That means from 0 to 240. Okay, so we have for less than 100 we have 0. Okay, so we are starting it from here, from this point we have to start. And then we have 12 will come approximately here, mark it as 12. Then we have 30 will come 30, so that is for 300 we have 30, so it has to be taken here. So 12 will come here. Okay, so in front of 300, 30. Then we have 400. For 400 we have 60 we have it here. See, approximately I am marking. You can use the graph table so that you will get the exact median. For 500 we have 102, so we have 100 here, so 102 will come somewhere. Then for 600 we have 162, so 160 is here, so 162. Then for 700 we have 240 is here. Okay, so this is less than. So starting from here, so this is how we have to mark. So this is less than ogive. Same way we have to mark the more than ogives. So more than ogives will starting from the highest number, that is 240. So for 100 we have 240, mark it here. Then for next we have 228 will come somewhere here. Then we have for 300 it is 210 will also come. Then 400 we have 180 is here for 400. Okay, then for 500 we have, see, for 300 it has to be here. See, you can use the graph table so that you will get the exact value. For 500 it is 138, so 138 will come. Then we have 600, we have 78 will come here. Then we have for 700 we have 0, so 0 will comes here. Okay, so this is more than ogives, so you have to connect this. So and they are asking us to find the median, right? So median is the intersecting point from the more than as well as less than ogives. So that is termed as a median. So here intersecting point is, we got it here, so you can draw the dotted line from that. So you will get it as 530 is the median for this. So if you are using the graphic table, you will get exact value. Okay, so this is how you have to solve while preparing the ogive curves.